Yeah, yellow was more. The yellow was on the that was good. Right here, yellow bird.
This is the engine build. He's still building it.
Fedora something. I'm still trying to.
455, 4.
That's good, man. Shoot.
It looks like a wreck out here, but
it had a chrome alternator on there. And
it's completely
nice, man. You get done.
Rebuild of an engine.
Yeah. Nice, man.
For our project.
My daddy, like I say, when time comes.
Still have that to go. And look at all of this stuff.
A lot of that shit back there, besides the bikes and shit, all the clothes and shit going to Goodwill. If I can't fit them, shit, I know because Rob back then, Rob was big. Yeah, I'm getting a lot of my stuff to Goodwill too. A whole lot of stuff.
Yeah, working hard, working hard. Brother Sam came over.
You should take a picture of old girl.
Yeah, I am.
Yeah, man. That was
so. Yeah, she threw a ride after we purchased her from in Atlanta. She threw a ride back in the beginning of April, something like that. So it was unrepairable, so we had to get an engine. She needed a new heart, so we decided to rebuild the engine. And as you can see, it's all out. And this is 1970 Buick Electra 225 convertible. And we love her. We were looking for her for a long, long time. A sweet couple in Beaufort, Georgia, had her in their barn for years, and they decided to sell her to us. So we took the road trip, went down Beaufort, and brought her back to the city. And she got ill, she got sick, so she's down now, but a couple more weeks, because the engine rebuild is going smoothly now. We had some bumps and kinks in the road with ordering parts, and parts taking weeks to come and stuff like that, but she will ride this summer. Today's date is July the 2nd. So I'm thinking by, let's give her till the 20th of July. The engine should be all ready to go back in. Everything else inside her is great. Transmission is still wonderful. Yep. So she'll be ready to ride this summer. That's my Flex. I gotta wash it. I always gotta wash my damn car. And because of the color, it picks up so much dust. Yep. And that's our project car. She's vintage. Everything works beautifully in her. The convertible top comes down, and everything works beautifully in her. Yep. We named her Fedora. We named her Fedora. So yeah, that's Fedora. And this is Sam's throwback car. It's really lovely, lovely, lovely. Beautiful. '98. So we're going to be pretty excited about the car show this year. We'll be able to go and enter our cars. Oh, Oldsmobile. Look at that. Still saving lives. All the time. All the time. Jesus saves lives. Yeah, so Sam's '98 is gorgeous. Yep, so they're definitely cousins. Yep. Yep, so I'm gonna end this video. Let the guys finish up what they're doing so I could start inviting everybody to this crank party.
No, you straight. He can move. He parked wrong. You getting it right. Hey, smack this shit. No.
Yep. All right. All the trash and the work of the labor is all over.
I'm going to use video. Thank you. Gracias. Come together.
Yeah.
I gotta spray this.
So we got a lot of work to do and a lot of cleaning out the garage, as you can see, after the build. But it's all good.